What is up, guys? Jeremy here, and welcome back to another video. So we're going to be taking a look at some really cool tweaks that you can get from Cydia on iOS 10. Some of these are honestly some essential tools you're going to want on your device just because it can save your life or save your jailbreak in a sense. But anyways, we're going to jump right into this. So the first thing I got for you guys is Activator. This is definitely a must-have on your device. It's a application/tweak from Cydia, and I demonstrated in my previous video, which is a iOS 10 jailbreak tips and tricks video, on how Activator could actually save your jailbreak. So definitely a really cool application/tweak to have on your device. If you guys want to check out the tips and tricks video on how this could actually save your device, be sure to check out the video link. It's down in the description. But anyways, basically Activator allows you to set up certain activation methods which will cause certain actions. There's just a ton of stuff you can use Activator for. It's pretty ridiculous the amount of things you could honestly use this for. Like I said, I showed you guys how it could save your device by putting it into safe mode. Definitely very, very cool and a must-have on your device. Again, that's Activator. The next tweak I got for you guys is called StyloPowerDownLite. This is a new tweak in Cydia, and basically it changes your power down screen. So we go ahead and hold the power button on my device here. And as you guys can see, this is StyloPowerDownLite. Like I said, it changes this. You can power your device down like normal. You can click on restart. You can do a reboot or a respring. And then you can also put your device into airplane mode from this menu. One bug I've noticed with the tweak is if you click on cancel, it will crash your springboard. So just keep that in mind. But I mainly use this tweak for the respring ability. I find it to be extremely useful. Again, the tweak is called StyloPowerDownLite. Next up, we have a really cool tweak called EdgeAlert. This is from the Samsung, so definitely a cool tweak. It's got a pretty cool function. We'll go into the settings for EdgeAlert. So basically what this does is when you get a alert or notification on your device, it'll have a ring of color go around the edge of your device, showing that you do have a notification. So I have mine set to kind of like a gray, and it's like half transparent. And then I pretty much left the width, height, speed, and duration about the same as how it was when I installed it. All I changed was the color. So of course you could use whatever color you want for this. We'll go ahead and go to color, and then I'll exit out of the app, and you guys should see it's very light, but around the edge of my screen you can see the notification or the edge alert going on. It's definitely a really cool effect. We can jump back into it, and we'll actually change the color. That way it's easier to see for you guys, so we'll change it all the way up to a bright red, and then as you guys can see, it is going around the edge. But like I said, I liked having it as that semi-transparent. It's a little less noticeable, but still a very cool tweak. Again, it's called EdgeAlert. The next couple of tweaks I got for you guys are all about bringing the new look and style of iOS 11 to our older jailbroken devices. So the first tweak is called Lockscreen 11. So we go ahead to the lock screen here, and of course with iOS 11 you have that new passcode input, so that is one of the features of it. Also, if we go into music and we put on a song here, go ahead and select on that, and we go to the lock screen. As you guys can see, you have the new music controls on the lock screen as well. So basically Lockscreen 11 changes your passcode input screen and the music player. And then next up on the list is DockXI. As you guys can see, it changes it to the new iOS 11 style dock, which I think looks really, really good. I also have used a tweak called HideMeX to add a fifth icon to the dock, but I really like the style. Again, that is DockXI. And then the final tweak of the iOS 11 style is Control Center. So this is ControlCenterXI. All of these will be listed in the description. They are spelt with the Roman numerals at the end, not actually 11. So like I said, if you guys want to download these, check out the names in the description. But as you guys can see with ControlCenterXI, it basically brings the iOS 11 Control Center, and it's basically the same. It has all the same functionality as the iOS 11, and it's basically the same thing. So definitely a cool lineup of iOS 11 styled tweaks. Again, that's Lockscreen 11, DockXI, and ControlCenterXI. Next up, we have another essential tool on my device. It's called Extender Reloaded. Basically what this application will do is re-sign the jailbreak application before it expires after 7 days. So that way I don't ever have to worry about plugging my device in to re-download and install the jailbreak application with Cydia Impactor. It's a super useful application to have on your device. So we'll go into Cydia Extender and we'll go into the More section here. And as you guys can see, you will have to sign in with your iTunes email and also the password. Now keep in mind, if you have the two-step authentication set up on your iTunes, you will have to generate the generic passcode on the Apple website to be used with this, so keep that in mind. But if you don't have the two-step authentication, you don't have to worry about it. Just sign in with your normal passcode. It's 100% safe. All it's being used for is to re-sign the jailbreak application so that it does not expire. As you guys can see, you have automatically re-sign application when there's 2 days left before it expires. That's how I have it set up. And then you also have notifications here, show non-urgent alerts, show debug alerts. You have an advanced section, and I would recommend you guys to turn on auto revoke certificates. I've noticed that with that turned off, it doesn't re-sign the application, but when I have that on, it works every single time flawlessly. So make sure you turn that on. But anyways, like I said, guys, basically re-sign your jailbreak app without ever having to use Cydia Impactor and reinstall the application. Super useful. Again, it's Extender Reloaded. And the last utility I got for you guys, I just covered. It's called Remover. Basically what this application will do is unjailbreak your device. It will keep it on its current firmware. That way you can re-jailbreak. So if you ever have an issue with tweaks or your device is bugging out and you just want to get rid of everything that is involved with Cydia and tweaks and themes and everything, this is what you're going to use. You basically just select your jailbreak tool and then you can unjailbreak it, like I said. And the nice thing is you're not forced to update in iOS. You don't have to restore. You can just simply unjailbreak it. An extremely useful utility to have on your device. Again, it's called Remover. Now, some of these tweaks and packages that I've mentioned in this video do require a source to be added within your Cydia to get them. All of the information is down in the description for all the tweaks I've mentioned, so be sure to check it out if you guys want to download and try any of them out. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely throw me a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot here at the channel. And if you guys want to see more tweak videos like this in the future, don't forget to click that subscribe button. This has been Jeremy, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.